Hi mummies and daddies, welcome to Mummagiri. Hope you all are doing well. 2nd October is coming और कई सारे ड्राइंग कॉम्पिटिशन्स हो रहे हैं ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन. सो आज हम अपने बच्चों को महात्मा गांधी की ड्राइंग बनाना सिखाएंगे बहुत ही इजी वे में नंबर्स की हेल्प से. पहले हमें इसके लिए ऐसे कॉइन चाहिए. कॉइन की हेल्प से हमें दो सर्कल बनाने. Now join these two circles with two slipping lines. Here draw a 3. Again draw two slipping lines. Now join this with a half circle. Now let's draw a V, cursive writing V. Here you have to draw the mouth like this. A U shape. This is Mahatma Gandhi's shawl. Now let's draw the eyes. Yeah. In first stage, you have to draw two circles and join it with two slipping lines. Then, and in second stage, you have to draw these three and join this with another two slipping lines. Then join here, draw a cursive writing V, and for the mouth, draw like this. Then draw the chin part. Then you have to draw the body and shawl, and the last and the 10th stage is to draw the eyes.